Alright, welcome back to my channel where math is made easy. So in our last video we looked at what are factors. Today we're going to be looking at what are multiples, alright? And what I want to zoom in on before we even go into this particular lesson is that I want us to understand the difference between a factor and a multiple. So a factor is the number that is multiplied, all right? And your multiple is the result that you get when you multiply. So let's label them. These would be my factors. 7 and 3 factors. And this is my multiple. So we can say that 21 is a multiple of 7 and 21 is a multiple of 3. All right, we can also say that 7 and 3 are factors of 21. So now that we would have established that, let's dive into how do we find multiples of a number. All right, so let's try these together. What are the first 5 multiples of 10? Remember we said that the multiples are really you multiplying, and the product that you get, that's your multiples. So the first multiple of 10 is 1 times 10, which would give me 10. So that's my first multiple. 2 times 10, which gives me 20. That's my second multiple. 3 times 10, 30, my third multiple. 4 times 10, and 5 times 10. All right, so these, my results or my products, are my multiples of 10. So let's list them. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And the list goes on and on and on for the multiples. But they asked you for the first 5. So we're bearing that in mind. Let's go to our next question. It says, take the next 3 multiples of 7 after 21. And I want us to look at the key terms here, because even though we're listing multiples, we still have to bear in mind the conditions or the range that they're asking us to list in. All right, so it says the next 3, and we're finding multiples of 7, but they want the ones that are after 21. Let's see if we can list the multiples of 7. So that's 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and we could continue on and on. But remember, it says next 3 after 21. So these 2 are not in because they're before 21. That is not in because that's 21. So let's look. These are after 21. 1, 2, 3. So our answer would be 28, 35, and 42. Those are the 3 multiples of 7 after 21. All right, so I want you to try this activity by yourselves. So I want you to list them. So it says to list the first 5 multiples of the numbers below, and you're going to put that in the chat. Take time, pause this video, do them by yourselves, and then you can come back to check for your answers. All right, so list the first 5 multiples. No, we're back. List the first 5 multiples of 4. First 5 multiple of 4. Remember now, it's just you counting by the number. So it's just like saying multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're counting by 2. If you're asked to find multiples of 4, you're counting by 4. Same for 8, you're counting by 8. Whatever number you're asked to find a multiple of, you're counting by that. All right? So first multiple, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. That's the first 5. All right? This one, 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. First 5 multiples of 8. And it says write the next 4 multiples of 6 after 36. So we want 4 more of 6 after 36. So can we go? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. I think we can stop here. Let's find the ones that they asked us for though. It says after 36, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer 42, 48, 54, and 60. Now we have listed the multiples of 6 after 36. So let's do a quick recap. What are multiples? Multiples are the results that you get when multiplying a number. So the multiples are the products. All right, so if you multiply 2 by 4, that's equal to 8. So your multiple would have been 8. So 8 would be a multiple of 2, and 8 is also a multiple of 4. And what's the difference between a multiple and a factor? Is that 2 and 4 would have been the factors, while 8 would have been our multiple. Thank you for watching. I hope that you would have learned something. Continue to watch where math is made easy.